So we have raw fish, salmon, and tuna here.
นี่นะคะ
Actually, she brought her own sauce or dressing. We also get garlic and some other, green onions, mix it together here.
ไก่ย
You can put whatever vegetable raw, mix it together here, and you can add a little bit of soy sauce. You can add a little bit of chili you want. Have a green pepper, onions, green onions, a lot of garlic here. Also have a soup here. So I think we pay two of us. I think we pay $54, not including tax each. So you should try this. They have excellent sashimi here. Well, we're making some sort of poke here. No rice. Our own version of sashimi here. This is what it looks like inside. With garlic. Yummy. A little bit of green onion.